What's up, guys? MJ Slot Guy here. Gold Nugget, Atlantic City, high limit slot room. As I move you back, Dijon to my left, hitting those balls hopefully soon. We got a dollar denomination going on here on Golden Century. 25 to spin, 805 in. Let's spin swing.
Shit.
There you go, Dave. Is that right? $160 there, ladies and gentlemen. Early in the morning, rising to Chindan, my friend. I pick up my coffee, but it's 275 degrees, even with the holder on it. One more, please, now. Oops, I did it again. I just went through all the 90s, 2000s there. What's going on, man? From Sublime to Britney Spears. Makes sense. Chasing Majors. 89-82. That would change the game. Dijon not doing too well on Autumn Moon. Got him again. Got him again, guys. 4. Bastard. Almost got 4. Look at that. First 3. You don't even have to worry about nothing. Fuck you. I think you have a gambling problem. Did you have your card in?
Yeah.
I'm extremely mad at you right now. I could have swore you put your card in.
Sweet. I am very mad at myself.
Now nobody gets credit for that. It's like it never existed. How dare you? Well, you know what that means. You're gonna have to play a session with your card in now. That's all that. What the hell is this? Wilds? 9s? Still amazing. It was nice, yes. But still, if that guy opened up, you know how much it would have been? Oh my goodness, Dijon. We would have been hand pay Harry. There's a chance. I mean, it was that one line hit, but that was, you know, that's what did it. All right, not complaining. Not complaining. We're up. We're up. We're having fun. All right, guys, we're back here. Sorry about that. Oh wait, I don't know. Never mind. Back to back. So. It says it. It's official. What?
It's a cheer.
Officially?
Oh no, next tier.
Next tier, you stood out.
This is a premiere.
Dollar Drum here. Don't forget, guys. Sorry, I can't get it on that.
Is it premiere the regular one?
Premiere is the...
Second one?
I don't know anymore. Let me move this back. Hold on. I don't like the way this picture looks. Sorry, guys. Hang on. Let's fix it. I gotta kick my chair back. There we go. One more. Yeah, that came out a lot quicker than it should. Come on, Dijon, it's your turn. Autumn Moon's really got it out for you. Promise. Huge right, here we go, major jackpot. Nice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Jackpot. All right, we need this line right here. All three come out at once. All right, guys. We're only on spin one. Dollar denom has finally come through. Dollar denom. All right, here we go, guys. That was only spin one. Let's hope the rest of the spins are just as profitable. Come on, wilds, all wilds, flags, pre-trigger.
Chindan.
Chindan, my friend. Chindan, my friend. Here we go. Balls. Damn. That would have been cool again. Last spin. Last spin save there. All right, come on, big ones here. There you go, dude. Sorry. Yeah, Odamoon's really got it out for you now. Not done yet. We're not out of here yet. Drop the mini for 1,000. Do it. All right. All right, guys. Don't forget we got end this on the 16:30. See if we can get over $2,000 here. $575 here, ladies and gentlemen. We are up and over the $2,000 threshold. 2205, ladies and gentlemen, jackpot. Hand pay. We will be back after this.
You know,
All right, guys, let's do this again here.
she was smart and beautiful. She was two beautiful girls. But then they went for the brain.
Plus 2,200 right now.
She lost.
I would love to pull 3,000 out of this machine right now.
Can't go because it's a talent show.
That's going to do it from here, ladies and gentlemen. 803 cashing out, so we plus the jackpot. We will not run it through the garden because $1 denom has not been nice to me in the past, so I'm going to take it a run, ladies and gentlemen. 803. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell to stay notified. I'll have some more videos for you soon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back here from Golden Century. 803 and 10 cent denom, 25 a spin. Let's spin, let's win.
It wasn't brown, it was just a real lighter brown, but it was brown. Could have been sister because they both had curly hair.
One more. Not good. Here we go. All right. That'll make up for it. It's all the way up to 616 there from now on. We are now up to 1302.
Shit. Shit. You moved it.
There you go. All right, double up.
And down south. We have houses in a couple places. Oh, okay.
Some backups here. See if I wants to spit something out. Otherwise, we're out of here at 1,000. One more. Perfect time for it. There it is.
As you go up,
2250 left, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to go down one. Hold on. Let's go to 10.
I saw you
Squeeze two more spits out of this.
see,
Never know.
they didn't care about that.
1,250, ladies and gentlemen. That's going to do it from here. All right, guys. Piecing onto something for you. We'll have some more videos for you soon. All right, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? Enjoy Slot Guy here. Golden Nugget Atlantic City High Limit Slot Room, sitting at Autumn Moon. I saw what it did to Dijon, and I wasn't happy about it, so I've come to avenge his death on this machine. 25 a spin. 25 cent an arm. Let's spin this one. Coming. All right, Dijon, we'll get her. Don't worry. We'll get her to pop. Get her to drop that green guy there. See him up there? Nope, we're a little slanted. Hold on, we're a little slanted. I don't like that. There we are. Appreciate you, all the OCDs out there. Yeah, whatever. Still not up and over yet. Rabbit Stew comes in for the first plus of the session. It was promising, but no follow-up there.
What's wrong?
5 mag? Alright, almost a double up. Oh, the Autumn Moon Andy here. Not much happening. Just these little, Here you go. I took the whole line. Should be a plus here. Oh yeah, big time. 4-timer, 5-timer. Bing! Half the bet. Nothing special. We almost had the autumn moon there. It is autumn. It is still autumn, so. Promising start, terrible finish. 2 moons in a row there. They want to come out, but they're not. What's going on? Down half. Otherwise, Little life there. Shouldn't make a noise unless it's a win like that one. That one. This is not good. Quick stop. Never mind. Missed it. There you go. Yeah, 2 automones there at the end. Hope that comes out when I need it. Definitely need it. I need life. Shush. There you go. Should be a 4 timer, hopefully. Ooh, what am I saying? There was a lot of life back there. All right, come on, buddy. Where you at? Let's go. Don't need those mooncakes right now. Come on, her. Give me her. Give me her right here. Big job. I don't care what comes out there. All right, a win. They're nice too. Look at those. Like they're only getting 1 or 2 though. Bad session here from Autumn Moon so far. 5 more spins left. This machine is gonna take me down too, Dijon. Oh, almost had it there at the end. We're gonna have to do one of these guys. That's gonna do it, ladies and gentlemen. Horrible session from Autumn Moon. Peace on to something for you. I have some more videos for you soon.